A lot of stocks in focus. The first tick is absolutely flat right now. The Sensex, Nifty and the mid-cap index are very, very quiet. The bank Nifty is down about 40 odd points, while the advanced decline ratio is trending in the green, over 1,200 stocks on the advancing side. Adani Group stocks are doing well. You have Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, that's up in the green, up about 1 to 2%. Bajaj Auto, BPCL comes out with earnings this week, so that stock is trending a tad bit in the green right now. And a couple of other names include Britannia, TCS, Power Grid, and the Infosys that are in the green line. What's dragging the market is Divi's. Divi's is down about 1.5%. There were some mixed reactions on that as well. The stock is now down 10% this year, so has lost some amount of value. Coal India, Hindalco, HUL, Hero MotoCorp, Eicher Motors all in the red. M&M is also in the red, comes out with earnings on Friday, so ahead of that, the stock is down about 0.7%. Bharti Airtel, Kotak Mahindra Bank and Grasim are a couple of other names that are trending in the red right now. So the first trade on the index is a bit downbeat. The Nifty is down about 20 points, the Sensex is down 80 points, and the bank Nifty is trending a tad bit in the red. No surprises, because this is pretty much what the SGX was suggesting, and this has been the turn of events in the last many days, where the market has hit that resistance zone of 18,400 and then come off from there. A lot of big result reactions in the broader market, so we'll get talking about that very quickly. But for now, the headline index is very, very flat.
Well, that's right, Sonia. A couple of stocks, though, that are moving big time. Shriya Shipping, I think late last evening, they said that they're going to be considering a delisting proposal. So that one's up close to around 18%. That's flying away. Balaji Amines, as we alerted you earlier, that many resignations out there, numbers as well were subdued. So that stock has taken a hard hit. Neel Kamal is up close to 10%. Volume's very, very low actually on that one. Finiotex Chemicals, well, they came out with a set of numbers. The stock is up close to around 7%. So that one, in fact, has reacted positively to its set of numbers. Narayana Health as well is up close to around 6%, reacting favorably to that set of numbers as well. So quite a few stocks are well in the green. Muthoot Finance, that stock is up close to around 4% or thereabouts. That's moved very, very well. We'll have the management shortly who will be joining us on the show. Piramal Pharma as well, that stock is up close to around 4% as we speak. And Dixon Tech comes out with a set of numbers. That's an important one we'll be tracking. Gland Pharma, the selling continues, down 10%. Glenmark, Ekta said those numbers look a little bit disappointing, so that's down close to around 5%. And Bandhan Bank, in fact, has opened up with a gain of close to around 2% or thereabouts. So quite a few stocks moving from the broader markets. Prashant.
All right. Things are looking, they're flat, not very much to kind of tell on. Banks, right? PNB is up about 2%. AU Bank is up a third. SBI is up a quarter. Bank of Baroda is higher by a little bit. But on the other side, you've got Kotak, which is down almost a full 1%. Federal Bank is down a third. So it's pretty mixed at this point in time. There is no overarching impact of this 2,000 rupee note withdrawal, as some were saying, well, accretion to deposits and kind of those kind of things, cost of money coming off because of this. But, the market is kind of flat at this stage. 18,188 or so is where we are at. Maybe just a few other names before we bring in our market master of the day. Adani Enterprises and Adani Ports should come up. Both are, one is up 5, the other is up 3. Adani Wilmar, actually the entire group is higher, and they are at the top of the list in terms of gainers. So Enterprises 5, Ports 3%, and big volumes on each of these. Ports will come up on your screen. Wilmar is up 7%. You've got Adani Total Gas, which is up 5%. Transmission is up 5%. Adani Power is up 5%. So, I can, at least right now on my screen, Adani Green is up 5%. So 4 out of the Adani Group stocks that I mentioned are on sort of limits, upper daily limits, the 5% limit there. Nigel mentioned Muthoot Finance. I don't remember the last time Muthoot reacted. It does react and then it kind of fades away, but hopefully the gains this time stay. Numbers are good, as Abhishek explained earlier, 1,082, and you'll hear from the management as well in a bit. Route Mobile did very well on Friday. It's up another 4.5% this morning. And you can go down the list, but volumes are a little lackluster right now. Sonia.
I just want to mention a couple of more stocks. Yeah. Gland Pharma continues to be one of the weakest stocks. Despite the steep fall last week, Gland Pharma is seeing an additional 10% fall this morning, so not looking good over there. On Balaji Amines, our colleague Sonal had a chance to catch up with the management on this reason behind this resignation of 5 independent directors. And, one of them suggests that the CFO has resigned to focus on the subsidiary company Balaji Specialty Chemicals Limited, Another resignation has come through because of age-related issues, and the others are due to personal reasons. So several reasons given for the resignation, but the CFO resignation is to focus on the subsidiary company Balaji Specialty Chemicals. Nevertheless, the street doesn't like it at all, and the stock is down about 16%, so keep an eye out on that. And Siemens, we were talking about how Vivek was telling us about how the selling of the geared motor business to the parent for 2,200 crores has not gone down well. Nomura has downgraded as well. So this market, I guess, is in a mood to punish any hint of bad news.
Yeah, I mean, I think Cochin reported numbers as well, right? Cochin, not sure, but 9.5%. That's a big cut on, a well-tracked, generally liked name as well. 10% lower, 490 on Cochin Shipyard. So that's Glenmark, of course, I think we mentioned earlier. MCX is down about 2.33%. KEC is down 2%. Viatech Vabag is down about 4%. So there is enough activity on the downside as well. And I'm only listing things with volumes. APL Apollo, IRB, and a few others are down between 2 and 3%. The Nifty is bouncing back. It's in the green. We are up about 30 points. 18,234.35 is where the pull is coming to. And the Bank Nifty will come up on your screen as well. That is absolutely flat, 0.08% lower. So it's the Nifty which is coming back into the green in a sort of sharp way within the first 5 minutes of open.